Good Monday afternoon, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal and the National View as well. Convective outlook forecast discussion on this Monday afternoon, the 14th of June, 2021. I'm meteorologist Robert Smith. Want to start out this afternoon with the Storm Prediction Center's mesoscale RAP analysis here. This is the available water content in the air. It's not great, but it's over an inch, and that means in precipitable water values that precipitation can fall under this. We've seen some rain throughout the region last night and early this morning too. Tied to this, let's take a look at the surface right now. We have a cold front and an upper surface low here over the Great Lakes here and into Canada is dropping down. The winds ahead of this are out of the south-southeast off the ocean. Marine air mass still in place, but this cold front means business, and it's attendant to another low that's out over the Ohio River Valley area here with another center here over the Great Lakes. If we move this forward over the next 6 hours or so, this cold front is going to be slow to exit the region. In fact, it won't be here until tomorrow. So that means that we could have some lifting here. And with that lifting, there's going to be problems in showers and thunderstorms. And we'll get into that in just a moment. Wanted to take a look at the low-level lapse rates right now. They're pretty unsteady here once you get into central Pennsylvania and portions west here at 7.5 degrees Celsius per 1,000 feet here. The atmosphere is still pretty stable here in New Jersey. That's because of the onshore flow that's going on, but this and this are going to intermingle, and that's going to mean precipitation is on the way. Taking a look at the 500 millibar jet analysis, here's our upper level low over the southeastern Canada here. And over the next 6 hours, this jet structure is going to work its way into the northeast here. And that could mean some heavy bouts of weather that will erode or about to come in, actually. And as of 11:40 this morning at Rutgers University meteorology program in New Brunswick, the wind is south at about 3, gusting to about 9 out of the south-southwest, temperature 73. Warm spots here, Upper Deerfield, New Jersey, 79, Vineland, 78, also in Greenwich, New Jersey, South Harrison, New Jersey, and Woodbine, New Jersey at 78. By the way, South Harrison is not Harrison in northeastern New Jersey. That is located in the south. Vernon Township, it's 62. High Point, 64. Parsippany's at 65. Charlottesburg, 65. High Point, 66. Other temperatures around the area are going to show up right now. They're generally running in the upper 60s to low and mid 70s where the skies have cleared. Let's take a look at the latest visible satellite imagery here. There is clearing here in central and southern New Jersey and parts of Pennsylvania ahead of the cold front here. These are low clouds in the area. In fact, let's see if we can do this. This will probably pull up here. Let's do the surface image first. We have southeasterly winds, south-southeasterly winds, southwest winds across Pennsylvania ahead of the cold front and an onshore flow here in New Jersey. So these winds are not mingling and mixing together so well. There's a marine air mass in place here and not so much here. In Pennsylvania, temperatures again in the 60s to lower 70s, and that is below normal for this time of the day and also for this time of the year. We take a look at, we have lots of low clouds and mid-level clouds across the area, anywhere from like 1,700 feet up to 6,000 feet. A little bit of rain here being reported as well. Dew point temperatures are in the 60s, so the air is saturated. We know that. Temperatures are in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and the winds obviously out of the southeast to south at about 4 to 5 miles per hour. Juicy. Looking at the water vapor satellite imagery on the lower levels, it looks like it's dry, pretty much, below 5,000 feet or so. A few showers here on composite radar showing up over New York City, just east of the LaGuardia here into Long Island. Also in Connecticut, that's showing up. Nothing really here in New Jersey. If we went back, there were some sprinkles here earlier this morning as that weak perturbation moved through. Now it's getting out into the northeast of the area here. Low-level water vapor channel. That shows that we're in a dry slot right now in the lower layers of the atmosphere. Notice the water vapor channel here from this morning into northeastern New Jersey and then out into Connecticut and Rhode Island and the northeast here. Here's the next batch of moisture coming in. This is low level, but the mid level, that's different. There is plenty of moisture here in the mid levels of the atmosphere. We'll take this back. Let's see, take this back. There's a little bit of drawing right now, but it's starting to fill in again. So the atmosphere is not really as clear as one would think. The visible satellite imagery this morning shows the tufts of clouds here, breaks here across central and coastal New Jersey in parts, but for the most part, it's a very saturated atmosphere going forward. And ahead of the cold front here is a lot of clearing in Pennsylvania, and the pop-up cumulus clouds here that are showing up. These are lower clouds here. But this is breaks in the clearing here, and these are cumulus clouds where the clearing has occurred in this area. That's going to change. And also, it's going to ignite showers and thunderstorms in this area too. Yes. Here's those showers and thunderstorms off to the east here. Few rumbles of thunder here in north of New Haven here into Hartford. Here's more showers and thunderstorms associated with the cold front now, making their way down through Parma and Akron and Youngstown, Ohio, and the Great Lakes area here east of Erie. This is going to get into an area where the atmosphere is going to become very unstable over the next several hours into tonight and tomorrow morning, and this line of showers and thunderstorms is going to blossom into a line of showers and thunderstorms moving across our area tonight and tomorrow morning. Taking a look at the HRR model guidance here, this is one of the soundings here. The air is saturated from about the mid-levels to about 8,000 feet. So from, let's say, 3,000 feet, maybe 4,000 feet, up to about 8,000 feet, the air is saturated. There's a little bit of drawing here in the lower levels here, which is showing up on the HRR model right now, but that's all going to fill in. HRR model guidance sounding from, let's say, noon today, from off the 14Z run, just coming in from the last hour. There is a temperature inversion here. It's very slight in the lowest layers here at the surface or near the surface, and then it branches out, but there is something that's going on here. Yes, we have heat in the Montana region, also in the desert Southwest, already heating up this morning, and it's like 9 a.m. there, and it's already like 94 degrees in Blythe Airport here, and also in Casa Grande Municipal Airport. Crazy, right? We're not going to look at this, actually. We're not. We want to look at the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area. I want to take off the surface observations and get into the layers here. We have no hazards right now, apparently. That's going to change big time. This is an example of a very somewhat unstable atmosphere because the atmosphere here over New Jersey with the southeast wind is very stable air mass. So anything running into this on a southwest flow here to the west here with the cold front is going to run into this. So today, not pretty, but not dangerous either. And we'll have to wait for tonight as the short wave makes its way and the cold front comes through. And that's where showers and thunderstorms in a moist air mass are going to take place. That's the station plot. Let's take a look at visibility. Yeah, pretty good. Nothing of significance here in visibility. I want to take a look at the 24-hour temperature change here. It's not going to be great, I can tell you that. Or like 1, 2, 4, 5 degrees above normal in spots, and maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 degrees below normal. It all evens out. So we're going to zoom in on the low-level water vapor once again, and here's the first shortwave exiting into Connecticut and Rhode Island with showers and thunderstorms. Here's our cold front, another upper-level low here over Michigan and the Great Lakes here. That is going to provide showers and thunderstorms later today and tonight. Over the top of the ridge here in the western United States, look at this ridge. And thunderstorms over the top of the ridge here into portions of the Midwest. Also in the Gulf area here, we've got Gulf moisture coming in, meeting the high pressure ridge. So there's a lot of things going on here. And of course, a lot of convection in Florida where everything is just like hung up. Yeah. And a new cold front trying to make its way into the west coast, but it's not quite there. But there is a lot of upglide here in showers and thunderstorms, also appearing in Washington and Oregon. We can see this on the Doppler radar here. We can see the showers and thunderstorms over Texas and over the Midwest. And here comes the first short wave off the New England coast. Here is the cold front back in here with showers and thunderstorms, and it's going to be diving into a stable air mass that will become unstable by late today and tonight. And of course, again, across Florida, what you expect. More shower and thunderstorm activity. So what's the real news here on the HRR model guidance, so showers and thunderstorms this afternoon? There could be a few in the region about. Not looking at anything famous here until the cold front and mid-level trough approaches tonight. There are some showers and thunderstorms here across northeastern New Jersey and northern New Jersey. Here comes the flow into this, and showers and thunderstorms will be populating around the area after midnight, near midnight, late tonight, early tomorrow morning. It looks like a pretty strong line of some showers and thunderstorms. Again, pulse-like in nature, and until the cold front clears. Want to go back to the 12Z run here, which shows a similar situation, but extended out through tomorrow morning. So the showers and thunderstorms move in and out of the area. How much precipitation is going to occur here as things begin to quiet down for a day or two? Let's take a look at precipitation. This is what the HRR is showing right now. All the way to the end here, well, could be some discrete areas where we get better than an inch or so of precipitation, while other areas get less or none, depending on where you are. Again, I actually have an allergy or migraine headache this afternoon, so we'll be back in video form this evening. For GardenStateWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Robert Smith. Enjoy your day.